Significant tips to manage your own virtual private server. A virtual private server provides a powerful platform that boosts your website's performance with dedicated resources. However, mismanagement of your hosting environment will significantly impact your site and progressively degrade its performance. Here are significant tips to help you manage your own virtual private server more efficiently and effortlessly. Use that control panel. Your website's control panel is the hub which lets you control almost all aspects of your hosting. Know your control panel well to make the most of it and get maximum control over your website. Regulate user access. If too many people have access to your VPS, they will impact performance by using up resources. Control user access to your hosting server and allocate only those resources which they need. Install updates regularly. Operating system and software updates are crucial for ensuring their optimum performance, security as well as reliability. Install all the updates regularly to make sure that your hosting environment always operates at peak performance. Install only required software. Trial versions and unused software just take up space and hog critical resources, thus impacting performance. Install only those applications that your website needs to ensure that your VPS doesn't get overcrowded. Protect your hosting server. While anti-malware protects your site from hacking, a good firewall saves your server from attacks. Implement a robust firewall to allow traffic regulated by specific protocols and trusted sources. HostGator's VPS hosting provides a secure hosting environment with complete root access and the powerful cPanel. Give your website an agile hosting platform with premium hardware, resilient network and near-instant provisioning.